Electric Daisy Carnival isn't just a music festival. It's a full-blown, neon-drenched fantasy world where the beat never stops, the lights never dim, and fashion is a form of self-expression as loud and bold as the bass. Picture this: you're surrounded by a sea of vibrant colors, dancing under the electric sky with every outfit around you telling its own unique story. Welcome to EDC, where your creativity knows no bounds. As EDC 2025 gears up to light up Las Vegas, ravers across the country are planning their most eye-popping looks and packing their festival must-haves. Whether you're a seasoned raver or a first-time festival goer, your outfit and gear can make or break your experience. From ethereal fairycore to edgy cyberpunk, I've got the ultimate guide to make sure you stand out in the crowd and dance the night away in style. Get ready to dive deep into the world of EDC fashion and essentials. We'll cover everything from the dreamiest rave outfits to the coolest glowing gadgets. So grab your glitter, put on your LED sneakers, and let's get ready to rave like never before. Stay tuned till the end because I've got some absolute must-haves that you won't want to miss. Let's go! Let's kick things off with the ethereal rave outfits. Think fairycore meets electro. Imagine flowing mesh skirts that catch the wind as you twirl, iridescent wings that glimmer under the stage lights, and pastel bodysuits that make you look like you just stepped out of a magical forest with subwoofers. The key to nailing this look is all about layers and textures. Pair a sheer glittery cape with a holographic bodysuit and finish the look with an LED crown. These crowns come in all shapes and sizes, from delicate fairy lights to bold glowing headpieces. Trust me, you'll look like you're straight out of a rave fairy tale. Don't forget to accessorize. Think about adding some shimmery face jewels, body glitter, and even some pastel-hued temporary hair dyes. The more you sparkle, the better. And remember, comfort is crucial. Choose outfits that allow you to dance freely and stay cool under the desert sky. I love how this look can be both whimsical and bold. You can be an ethereal goddess one moment and a dancing queen the next. It's all about embracing the magic and letting your inner fairy shine. So if you want to enchant everyone at EDC, the ethereal rave outfit is your go-to. Next up, let's dive into the adorable world of teddy bear rave outfits. This look is all about kawaii meets candy. Think fuzzy ears, plush accessories, and pastel fluff everywhere. If you've ever wanted to channel your inner Care Bear, this is your chance. It's cute, chaotic, and oh so fun. Start with a base of colorful, comfortable clothes. A pastel romper or a fuzzy crop top and shorts combo works perfectly. Then layer on the plush accessories. Fuzzy leg warmers are a must. They not only look cute but also keep you warm when the desert night gets chilly. Don't forget the ears. Fuzzy ears on a headband or even a full-on teddy bear hood can take your outfit to the next level. And for the full kawaii effect, add some brightly colored candy bracelets and necklaces. The more, the merrier. Finish your look with some fun makeup. Think pastel eyeshadows, glittery cheeks, and a cute heart or star drawn near your eye. This look is all about embracing your playful side and spreading joy wherever you go. Plus, who can resist a dancing teddy bear? Now let's talk about this year's unexpected trend: dark green rave outfits. Earthy, moody greens are making a statement at EDC 2025. From metallic emerald bodysuits to camo mesh with glow-in-the-dark accents, this look gives forest warrior vibes with a futuristic twist. Start with a bold green base. A metallic emerald bodysuit is a great choice. It catches the light and stands out in the crowd. Layer it with camo mesh pieces for that edgy warrior feel. You can even add some glow-in-the-dark paint or accessories to really make your outfit pop under the festival lights. Accessories are key to completing this look. Think chunky black boots, LED goggles, and maybe even a green holographic cape. These small details can transform your outfit from simple to standout. And don't forget some forest-inspired face paint or temporary tattoos to tie the whole look together. This trend is perfect for those who want to blend nature with neon. It's fierce, it's bold, and it's definitely eye-catching. So if you're ready to channel your inner forest warrior and dance the night away, dark green rave outfits are the way to go. Chapter 4: Cyberpunk Rave Outfits. For all my neon noir crew, cyberpunk rave outfits are a go-to. Think black mesh, LED goggles, circuit board prints, and shiny metallics. This look is all about the future, raving in 2099 style. Start with the basics: black mesh tops, shiny leggings, and circuit board prints. These pieces are not only stylish but also functional, keeping you cool while you dance. Add some LED goggles for that ultimate cyberpunk vibe. These goggles not only look cool but also help you see through the neon haze. Accessories are everything in this look. Think chunky boots, chrome paint, and maybe even a holographic jacket. These details add depth to your outfit and make you stand out in the neon crowd. And don't forget some futuristic makeup. Think metallic eyeshadows, bold eyeliner, and maybe even some LED face stickers. This look is perfect for those who want to embrace the future and dance like there's no tomorrow. It's edgy, it's bold, and it's definitely unforgettable. So, if you're ready to rave like it's 2099, cyberpunk rave outfits are your go-to. Chapter 5. Harley Quinn Rave Outfits. Let's dive into a look that's all about mischief and mayhem, the Harley Quinn Rave Outfit. This is for the ones ready to dance till chaos breaks loose or sunrise hits, whichever comes first. With red and blue hairpieces, crop jackets, fishnets, and glitter galore, you're bound to steal the show. Start with the essentials: red and blue hairpieces or wigs, a cropped bomber jacket, and fishnet stockings. These pieces are the foundation of your Harley Quinn look. Add a pair of high-waisted shorts and a glittery crop top to complete the outfit. Accessories are crucial. Think bold, mismatched jewelry, chunky boots, and maybe even a baseball bat prop. These details bring the chaos and fun to your look. And don't forget the makeup: bold red lipstick, smudged eyeliner, and some heart or diamond face tattoos. This look is all about embracing your wild side and having fun. It's bold, it's rebellious, and it's definitely eye-catching. So, if you're ready to cause some chaos and dance the night away, the Harley Quinn Rave outfit is your go-to. Chapter 6. Glowing Mushrooms. Now let's talk about adding some enchanted flair to your campsite or outfit with glowing mushrooms. These aren't the trippy kind. These are adorable LED decor pieces that light up the night and add a magical touch to your EDC experience. You can find these glowing mushrooms in various sizes and colors. They're perfect for decorating your campsite, creating a fairy tale vibe that stands out in the desert. Place them around your tent or even wear them as part of your outfit. They're lightweight and easy to carry, making them a versatile addition to your festival gear. Imagine dancing under the electric sky with glowing mushrooms illuminating your path. They add a whimsical touch to the night and make your camp area a beacon of light in the dark. Plus, they're a great conversation starter and can help you make new friends at the festival. These little lights are not just for decoration. They're a way to express your creativity and add a personal touch to your EDC experience. So if you want to bring some magic to the desert, glowing mushrooms are a must-have. Holograms are the future of festival accessories, and they're making waves at EDC 2025. Portable holographic fans or accessories add visual magic to your crew's chill zone, creating an immersive experience that's out of this world. Start with a portable holographic fan. These fans project holograms into the air, creating a mesmerizing display that's perfect for those down moments when you're chilling with your crew. They're easy to set up and can run on batteries, making them a convenient addition to your festival gear. Holographic accessories are another great option. Think holographic bracelets, necklaces, or even clothing that changes colors and patterns with the movement. These pieces not only look cool, but also add a futuristic touch to your outfit. Imagine being surrounded by holographic lights and images as you dance the night away. It's like stepping into a sci-fi movie where you're the star. These holograms add an extra layer of magic to your EDC experience and make your chill zone the place to be. So, if you want to add some futuristic flair to your festival, holograms are the way to go. They're fun, they're innovative, and they're definitely a conversation starter. Lanterns are an essential part of any EDC experience. Whether paper, solar-powered, or LED lit, they're perfect for navigating the desert nights or adding ambiance to your rave base camp. Let's dive into how you can use these magical lights to enhance your festival. Paper lanterns are a classic choice. They're lightweight, easy to set up, and come in various colors and designs. Hang them around your campsite to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. They're perfect for those chill moments when you're winding down from dancing. Solar-powered lanterns are a great eco-friendly option. They charge during the day and light up your camp at night. They're practical, sustainable, and add a modern touch to your setup. Plus, you don't have to worry about batteries running out. LED-lit lanterns are another fantastic choice. They come in various shapes and sizes, and some even have color-changing options. These lanterns are perfect for adding a vibrant, dynamic element to your camp. They're also great for navigating the festival grounds at night. Lanterns are not just functional, they're a way to express your creativity and make your camp a home away from home. They add a touch of magic to the night and make your EDC experience even more memorable. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about the most crucial festival essential, a hydration pack. This is non-negotiable. Dancing for 12+ hours under the desert sky requires a steady water supply, and hydration packs come in cute, sparkly styles too. First, let's talk about functionality. A good hydration pack should be lightweight, comfortable, and have enough capacity to keep you hydrated throughout the day. Look for packs with adjustable straps, multiple pockets, and easy-to-use water reservoirs. Now onto the fun part, style. Hydration packs come in all sorts of designs, from glittery and sparkly to neon and holographic. Choose one that matches your outfit and adds an extra touch of flair to your look. After all, staying hydrated doesn't have to be boring. Accessorize your hydration pack with some fun add-ons. Think LED lights, stickers, and even some dangling charms. These small details can make your pack stand out and add a personal touch to your festival gear. Remember, staying hydrated is key to having a fun and safe EDC experience. A hydration pack ensures you can dance the night away without worrying about dehydration. So, choose a pack that's both functional and fabulous, and you're all set for the festival. EDC is all about freedom, creativity, and connection. Whether you're a fairy, a rebel, or a cyber alien, let your look reflect your vibe and your energy be contagious. Embrace the magic, the music, and the moments that make EDC unforgettable. It's your time to shine, so go all out and make every second count. As you pack your bags and plan your outfits, remember that EDC is more than just a festival. It's a community. It's about connecting with others, sharing experiences, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So bring your best self, your brightest smile, and get ready for an adventure under the electric sky. See you under the electric sky. Don't forget to check the link in the description to my blog where I've curated all these items. I've done the shopping so you don't have to. Let's make EDC 2025 the most magical one yet. Until next time, keep dancing and stay fabulous.